How to block calls on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the phone application on your phone. The phone app provides features like a keypad for manual number entry, a favorites list for quick access to frequently called contacts, and a recents list for reviewing recent calls. This is your iPhone keypad. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Recents. Over here, you can find all your recent call logs. Tap on the details icon beside the call you want to block. You can view the call details over here. If you want to block this caller, then scroll down to the end and tap on Block Caller. Tap on Block Contact to confirm. You have now successfully blocked this contact. You can also unblock them from here whenever you want. Following these steps, you can easily block calls on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.